Now we are ready for step 3. We will present our quiz in class and allow students to respond. You'll notice that our menu bar for Quizmaster is still in editor mode. So let's click here to take us to presentation mode. I'm going to click on the class just to check to make sure that my class is correct and that my student list is also correct. Click OK. This step also double checks the hardware connections to make sure that the receiver is properly connected. Now we're ready to begin. With the teacher keypad, I'm going to press the power key and it automatically starts the PowerPoint show. When the teacher is ready to receive answers from the students, the teacher will press the Start key, which is the right arrow on the teacher keypad. Notice that the timer begins in the top right corner, and that in the left corner we see a list of the students. Since this class only has 2 students, there are only 2 boxes shown. When the student answers, their box turns blue. As long as the question is active, they can change, and the color will toggle from light to dark blue. At the end of the question, a small histogram will appear that shows the correct answers in green and the incorrect answers in red. Again, since there are only 2 students in this class, we see that 50% answered correctly and 50% answered incorrectly. This is a very important tool for teachers to be able to judge the students' understanding of the topics that have been presented in class. For quiz questions that are following, the teacher will press the down arrow key to navigate through PowerPoint. And this will take us to the next question and successive questions. When you're finished, press the power key again and it will ask you to confirm. Click OK, and it will ask if you want to save. Now this is very important because we want to save the students' answers so that we can access the data later in our reports. So now this is step 3, the presentation of our quiz in class.